Today our topic is sole proprietorship and its main features. Sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is the oldest form of business organization. It can be defined as follows: a business that is owned and operated by only one person. No legal formalities are necessary in setting up such a business. Any person can start it at any time in any place. He has to supply all the capital needed for the business, and he himself has to look after its management with the help of paid employees. All the profit of the business will go into the pocket of the sole proprietor, and he must bear all the losses occur in the business. Main features of sole proprietorship. Following are the main features of sole proprietorship. Ownership. One person owns the ownership of the business. Formation. It is very easy to form. Any person can form and start such a business at any time without facing any legal liabilities. Unlimited liability. The sole proprietor has an unlimited liability. The personal assets of the owner can be used for the payment of liabilities of the business. Profit. The entire profit of the business goes into the pocket of the single person. Entity. The sole proprietorship business has no separate entity in the eye of law. Its entity remains merged with that of the owner. Freedom of action. Sole proprietor can take prompt and immediate action within a legal framework in one-man authority. Continuity. The continuity of business is based on good health or the life to the owner. The member of the family can also help in the running of the business. Control. The owner himself formulates plan, policies and program for the business.